All right. Thank you, Melissa. Appreciate that. Very nice of you. Okay, everybody. Welcome to the workshop. We got everybody here. We got a whole bunch of people on board. We're going to go ahead and get started with Berju's shops and shop singular, but maybe you have another shop we just don't know about. And we got Aria Beads by AB from Fontana, California. So first off, Berju, I like it. Great looking start to your shop. I like the banner. I like the logo. Now, I personally recommend having your own photo for your profile photo. It just creates a little bit of more personal rapport with your shoppers. But your products, that's where the big deals are going to be happening. So I see you got 2 sales. Let's check out your 2 sales you got so far. Very nice. So you got these green polymer clay earrings, very pretty. And so on. Okay, very nice. And I like the gold, the flaky looking gold. Very nice. So first things first, with your photos, I think your photos are your first area of opportunity that you could make a little bit better. And there's a couple things about your photos. Most of them are framed pretty well. Like this one's okay. It could be better centered. It's kind of off center over here, which is fine, but I like to make things as good as possible. This pink one right here is pretty good. It's definitely centered. This one is centered. This one is centered, and this one. But a lot of these other ones are getting cut off. Like these maple leaf earrings, you have so much extra space in this image. You could, if you cropped this, you could get the maple leaf earrings to fill up the majority of the image. I wonder if there's a way to change my cursor color. Somebody was cursor. Someone was telling me the other day I needed to make my cursor more visible. Let's see. Oh, we can make it pink. Look at that. And let's see if we can make it bigger. Oh, that's just the thing there. Let's see if it's any better pink. No, it doesn't look pink yet. But she could see, Berju could see. Yeah, someone was making a fuss about it the other day, but you know what? It looks like they were the only person. We'll just carry on. You have to turn it on. Oh, duh. That's brilliant. That's brilliant. I feel like my mother now. I didn't know that I had to turn it on. Still doesn't seem to change color though. Anyways, we'll go ahead. We'll just keep going with what we were doing there, and we'll figure it out. But back to what I was saying about your shop, Berju. I think these photos right here, a lot of these photos you've got a lot of unused space. Same thing with these polymer clay earrings right here. There's just a lot of empty space in the image that's not really benefiting you. And if they were cropped differently to fill up your whole thumbnail image, that would help a lot. Now, the next problem I see is just that your lighting isn't very bright and cheery. A lot of these items are very dimly lit. It looks like it's in your back laundry room or something like that. Like if we look at these ones, they're so dark. Especially since these are a little bit darker products, but there's just not a lot of lighting on it. It really feels dimly lit and it feels kind of dark. So that's going to be really important for you to redo these. Rob suggests a light box, and a light box is definitely a possibility. You could definitely do a light box. You could get like, your items are all the same size. So you could definitely get a light box off of Amazon, and you probably could get one for a pretty good deal. Just got a light box yesterday. Okay. And guys, another thing, if you don't get a light box, you can also do a ring light. I have a ring light, and it's a really great little tool to make your photos a lot brighter. And here's what these ring lights are a great deal. Like this is a more fancy one, but look at this one right here. $29, and it just makes stuff look really good, especially if you're taking photos of people. It really brightens their face up very nicely. And it's a super easy little tool to work with. Look, it fits your phone into the middle of it, which is really nice. So your phone is really centered. One of the tough things about getting lighting right is getting your phone and the light aiming the same direction. That's one of the things I like the most about the ring light is your phone sits in the middle of this thing because it's a ring. So your lighting and your camera angle are always really agreeable with each other. For people who aren't photography experts like me, it's really helpful because I don't know exactly how to get all the lighting perfect. So just a little pro tip there. So I think that'd be the biggest areas of opportunity, Burju, is getting your photos bright, and it looks like you got a light box on the way, so you're going to get that worked out, and then getting them a little bit better centered. Like this one, it still doesn't, there's not quite enough contrast. You really want your photos to pop out. Like this one here, it's a beautiful color, but I don't necessarily like this wall so much because I feel like the wall is very busy. This one's kind of nice, but again, it's a little bit too dark. The grass is overpowering it. So some suggestions there. I think you've got a great start. Very cute items. And thanks for sending in your shop, Burju.